Welcome to Insurance Day's business briefing. The headwinds facing the London market continue to blow fiercely, and high expenses are taking their toll on companies' performance. And in today's business briefing, we are exploring some of these issues. So I'm delighted to welcome our first panel, where we examine how companies are grappling with some of the strategic challenges facing the market and exploring their views on the market's future. Is it a market-changing event? And are there considerable opportunities for London market businesses as a result?
Clearly there are opportunities, and it chimes well with our own strategy. We've invested $500 million into this market in the last few months and turned ourselves into a top 10 player at Lloyd's.
I think the most important thing is to be as close as we can to our clients and to help them through any difficulty they're facing at the moment.
I think it's true to say probably 90% of change happens through adversity or disruption.
If there is a market that can project itself to the rest of the world, this is this one, and only this one.
Getting closer to the clients and really understanding their business and helping them to become more profitable and to grow, and that's what it's all about.
What do you see as the main challenges that firms are grappling with?
Firstly, how do we grow? And secondly, how do we cut costs?
Do you see it as a technology issue? Do you see it how much as a cultural issue? How much is it just coming up with a different model for distribution?
A lot of complete rethinking of how the model works. It can be very, very different from the very clunky way that we currently do things. We've got to move on, I think, from just thinking of everything as one way or another.
Do you think there should be some greater cross-market efforts?
There's a lot going on. The amount of cross-market efforts there already are. You need the flow of ideas, the flow of people to make a success of any market.
Paul Merry, thank you very much.
Thank you.
What does innovation mean to you and your organisation?
Innovation for us is a change to do something for a client to make their life better. The ability that technology gives us to reduce the cost of doing things gives us a much better chance.
How does that drive generally innovation across the business?
Customer is critical for this. This is at the heart of our strategy, and this is at the heart of us being close to our customers and us making a difference.
It's a little bit of very positive and willing culture, but also a little bit of fear. Think about destroying your business, because if you don't do it, somebody is going to do it.
If you really want to be here in 20 years' time, you can't avoid accepting that you've got to do some things differently.
To really innovate, you need to be quite brave in sharing ideas across an organisation, and actually it's through the engagement with others is really how those get shaped.
Thank you all for attending this afternoon, and thank you to KPMG for their support. Please show your appreciation to our speakers today.